Hey guys, this is Buy My Money and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the E-mini using only one single setup, the two-legged pullback. If you know what the two-legged pullback is, it's a setup that looks like this. One pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry, and we like to enter into the second entry right here. Or A, B, C pattern. And on the second entry or the next A leg, we like to enter in as well. And if you don't know what this pattern is, this is a price action pattern that we like to trade because of how high the probability it is to scalp out using this pattern. On the charts, there are two-legged pullbacks everywhere, and if you have the right context, this setup is greater than 90% chance to make a point. Essentially, it's because whenever the market makes two attempts at something, on the second attempt, it always feels way more confident to enter in. And so, if we look at a key area, such as a support resistance level, moving average, or trend line or channel, we can see that we can scalp out very easily. For instance, if I bring this pattern to the chart, and I'll have a two-legged pullback right here. And on the reversal, we see that we are able to scalp out a point. A, B, C, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. I'm going to enter into the second entry here. Here you get the little bonus. It's also a micro double bottom. And so we like to find this pattern in those key areas. And in this video, I'll go over all my live trades, but there are some moments where I'm not really able to talk, and so some audio is cut off. But I will show you the trades nevertheless. And so hope you guys enjoy the video. In the video, I give some commentary on what my thoughts are on the trades and why I'm going to take it. But regardless, these are my live trades, and yeah, hopefully it's beneficial to you that you can see this strategy played out in real life, and yeah, and I hope it's beneficial. If it is beneficial to you, drop a like and subscribe. That'd be great. Great support for the channel here and what we're trying to do here at Two-Legged Pullback. And so, appreciate it a lot. Also, if you want some more information about this indicator here, all these numbers above and below, this is an indicator that automatically counts legs, finds second entries. You can check it out at the URL on the bottom right. Also, the trading range indicator here, as you can see, perfectly shows this trading range, and it automatically identifies trading ranges using pure price action. And we like to use both these indicators in our trading. And so, hopefully, these are tools that will be very beneficial for your trading. If you want more information about those, then check out the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. And that's it for the introduction. Yeah, stick around, enjoy the live trades, and as always, happy trading and God bless. Before a trap here. A, B, C, A. Traps. Easy trap. Runner got stopped out. But yeah. A, B, C. A fails to make a point. Reverses. Creates a trap. The reason being is because we keep bouncing off here. So I'm thinking we're trying to do a reversal. But we'll see. Interested in this short here. Believing we're in the top of a trading range. Right, in this trade. Lower high here. Goes up to the 50s, then the 25s, top of the trading range. Strong bear bar. Looking to get out most of my position at one point, and then I'm gonna have one runner here. Another thing is break a trend line, another two-legged pullback, and after the test of the high here, you see that fails to reach it, hitting top of the trading range. And see there's plenty of room down here until the bottom of this trading range. So expecting this to come at least to down here actually, but we'll see. At least make a scalp here and then hopefully get a little bit more for a swing. You know, if we were like in a really strong, you know, bull trend, then I might not have taken this, but the fact that we're so choppy today, now no conviction really, kind of gives you the character of the market today, and so I did not really expect a huge, you know, trend up, so I'm thinking we're gonna come back down, test the lows again, and yeah, hopefully get this swing down here, we'll see. I like that, a couple more points to this green line created by the trading range indicator. And I scalped out most of it, I only have one runner now. Alright, got stopped out my runner. So that's why I scalp out most of my position, because it's so choppy. Okay, it's broken now, so still no joy on the point from this signal bar. I actually might be interested in going long here. Okay, I'm in this trade, and it instantly scalped me out. Well, basically failed trap, and I thought I was going to reverse. And you see how it's making higher lows, and I think other traders were eager to jump in there to think that this is the big reversal. But then that failed as well again. And so it scalped me out pretty instantly. Yeah, which is nice. This is why we scalp, because we want those high probable trades. And so that was a high probable trade because it was a scalp.